Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Last Friday, I did not post any videos because I did not trade any setups. The market was really slow and it went sideways and I did not find any good setups. But today, hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities as we are all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Today, pre-market, both SPY and triple Q is gapping down. There is a huge gap and I anticipate both SPY and triple Q to make moves to the upside, close the gap and continue down. Since both SPY and triple Q are gapping down, I have a bearish sentiment today. Going into market open, I would be watching both Nvidia and Tesla. I want both Nvidia and Tesla to break the current pre-market low and continue down. And then on the bounce back, I would be looking to add puts at resistance levels. As of now, I don't have any levels identified. I'll wait for market open to draw my levels. We do have a couple of minutes before market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Tesla trying to break the pre-market high. I think Tesla may try to close the gap and then continue down. Both SPY and triple Q flushing. Nvidia looks good. Waiting for the first 5-minute candle to close. Not ready to jump in. Waiting for confirmation. I want Nvidia to make new low. Watching Tesla. Jumping in. 515. I'm in. Looking to add my second add around this area. That would be my second add. I'll wait. Not in a hurry. I'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close. We do have around 50 seconds for this candle to close. Selling. 545. Yep, I'm just holding 5 contracts. Selling. Not liking how it's hesitating. At least I got one trade to start with. Not a big winner, but green is good. That was not my typical setup, but my idea behind that trade was like I would get one more add before Tesla tried to close the gap. And when usually stock closes a gap, it tends to give a pullback. And then on the pullback, I should have got out green. That was my idea behind that trade. And since I'm starting the week, I wanted to start off the week with a green trade. So I took the profits and I was out of the trade. I just realized that I was trading Nvidia based off Tesla chart. Man, I was lucky to come out green. I was looking at this chart because normally I don't look at the option premium chart because options are derivatives of the actual stock and they move according to the stock. And the learning lesson from probably this trade would be like all the tech stocks that are moving, they're showing a similar pattern. That was one hell of a crazy trade. Trading Nvidia out of Tesla chart. Tesla actually hit my resistance level and then it came down. But now I think it's on an uptrend and I don't want to short Tesla while it's on an uptrend. Yeah, Tesla is making crazy moves today. Even though SPY and triple Q is down, Tesla just closed the gap and now it may fail and continue down. But that's not my strategy, so I'll stay away. If Tesla breaks yesterday's close and break the pre-market high and continue higher with strength, then I'll be bullish and would look to play calls. Else, I'll stay away. Tesla, very strong today. It made a new high. And I think if it holds, then Tesla would turn green on the day. As I said in the beginning of the video, Tesla has actually closed the gap. But I'm not sure whether it's going to reverse from here because these lower wicks suggest strength, and that to me is concerning if you're looking to short. So you don't have a clear short opportunity, and on the call side, we don't have any setups yet. So staying away, exercising patience, after all, that's the key here. Tesla now is green on the day. It's going to break the pre-market high. Yep, it actually made a new high. Now I'm bullish on Tesla, but I need more confirmation. I need more strong candles. Only then I'm interested on the call side. Now, what I'm looking here is Tesla should break at least 2 or 3 levels that I've marked and then give me a pullback. That is where I'll be looking to buy calls. But right now, since Tesla is very close to yesterday's closing price, I don't want to trade it. It would be really good if it can break these 2 levels at once. Not sure whether it's going to happen. Adding one more level here. Let's see how this candle closes and then probably we'll try to take a trade. Today, another tough day of trading. The markets are not making any significant moves. I'll give it a couple more minutes, and if Tesla or Nvidia doesn't give me any setup, maybe I'll call it a day. I've been sitting around for almost 45 minutes now, and I'm afraid that if I continue further, I would force myself into some bad trades. So I think I'll call it a day. Overall, not a bad day of trading. Making $344, I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.